friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we will be doing a spring makeup tutorial and I will be using all my favorite drugstore makeup products. So this is going to be a super affordable and easy to follow makeup tutorial. So before we get into the tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. I have already moisturized my face using the Olay SPF 15. Next, I'm going to go in with the Neutrogena Clear Face Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 50 and apply a little bit all over my face. This is just to protect my skin from harsh sun rays to prevent my skin from aging and getting wrinkles quickly. So I'm just going to apply a little bit. COVID-19 vaccine and it wasn't as bad. It did hurt for a little bit. My arm was really sore for a couple of days, but it got better. So I'm feeling much better and I'm glad I went and I got it done. So if you have not gotten your COVID-19 vaccine yet, please go ahead, book it and get it because these are the times where we need everybody to come together and do what's necessary. Okay, so sunscreen is on. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer and I'm going to gently apply just one pump all over my face. So in order to ensure that your makeup, your foundation applies really nicely on your skin, you just need to make sure that the base which you're creating for your foundation is really hydrated. Okay, my makeup base does look really good and it feels really smooth as well. So make sure you're dragging the product on your neck area as well. So when you're applying your foundation, do not miss your neck. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade 380 and this is what it looks like. It's been my favorite brow product so far. So I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back to get into the rest of the makeup tutorial. Okay, my brows are done. So these days I'm really loving these two concealers. And the very first one is the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer and the next one is the Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. This one is in the shade M900 Perfect Beige and the e.l.f. is in the shade Medium Sand. But today I'm going to be using the Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. So I'm just going to apply a little bit all over my eyelids. Okay, I'm going to be using the applicator and then shape my eyebrows as well. You can use a concealer brush, but I'm just going to quickly use the applicator and just define my eyebrows. I'm going to use the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. It's in the shade Pheonix and I'm going to use some of these shades to create today's look. So I'm going to go in with the shiny, kind of like, it's not even gold, it's kind of like silverish gold tone, the shade towards the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with this darker, it's kind of like darker purplish kind of shade towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending eye brush. I'm going to work from the outer corner of my eyes towards the inner corner. So I'm going to take this darker purplish shade and I'm going to start blending it out. this gorgeous color. It looks like a brown color. I'm gonna go in with this and then just diffuse the outer corners of my eyes. Now and then I'm going to go in with the silverish golden color. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Stiletto High Precision Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black. And guys, the tip of this eyeliner is really soft. So if you're somebody who's not comfortable with soft tip, you'll have to really take your time and work on it. So I'm going to get my lashes and liner done off camera and I'll be right back. For spring and summer, I really like to wear a light foundation, and the best one I can recommend is the Fit Me from Maybelline. I am wearing the shade 312. During summer, if I don't drink a lot of water, my skin literally becomes an oil rig. And yes, I'm not joking. So for that, I really like to wear really light coverage foundation. And even if you like wearing skin tint, those work great as well. So if you're looking for a really light coverage foundation, this is what I would recommend for you guys, and this is really buildable too, so you could go for extra coverage too if you like. Next, I'm going to be using the same Covergirl concealer to highlight the higher points of my face. To ensure that my concealer blends really nicely with my foundation, I'm just going to spray my face with rose water mist, and then I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend. While blending, guys, just make sure that you are also dabbing the product into your skin so it stays. I actually don't own a lot of Covergirl products, however these are the main two things which I own and I absolutely love it. The Covergirl concealer, which I spoke about earlier in this video, and this trio palette. It has a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And guys, the quality is so high-end, so amazing. It's super pigmented. If you're somebody who likes to carry compact products, this is something I would totally recommend because the quality is so nice. I'm going to use the same bronzer brush, however I'm going to use the bristles on the side. I'm going to collect the highlighter product and apply it on the higher points of my face. Such an amazing trio palette, I tell you. If you're somebody who does not like to carry a lot of makeup products or collect a lot of makeup products, I feel like this would be really great for you guys because this palette is basically multi-purpose. You could use it as a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush, and you could also use it as an eyeshadow palette. Actually, when I'm running late and I want to use minimum makeup product, this is what I do. I use it as a multi-purpose product. Next, I'm going to use this stunning lip shade from Milani. By now, you guys already must be knowing that I love matte lipsticks, and some of the best ones are from Milani Cosmetics. Their formula is so amazing. It dries out a little bit, but I really like it because I do not like my lipstick transferring. To finish the look, I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray to set my face. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the end with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this spring makeup tutorial, and if you like my content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all your support.